Okay guys, I'm at Miss Eden Residence, and we have a left-hand sided return, and so the first thing I want to show you is this return goes up, and look at that. The overhang on the right-hand side return there, which is amazing to me. Anyway, there is your right-hand sided return. We have a little bit of space in between the left-hand side of return and the furnace. If I get my paper, I've already measured, that's 5 3/4 is how much room you've got there. She's currently using a 16 by 25 by 1 inch media filter. What is needed on this, we're contemplating on just replacing the furnace, and we have a condensate line that's about 100 feet long, goes all over the basement, and I would like to get rid of this, put a condensate pump on it, and run about 40 foot of tubing right over there and into that sink right over there that she's got sitting there, so you can run it up across the ductwork and down into the sink. So that needs to be addressed to get that up off the floor. This used to have a low boy furnace, and it has a slab that's about 60 inches long and about 16 across the end, and the furnace is sitting up on that. So when I measured from floor to bottom of the ductwork, that 60 some inches there is from the top of that slab to there because the unit's sitting on it. Here's your 3/4 or here's your 1 inch flex to 3/4 hard pipe with a shut off your gas valve going into the furnace. And then you've got a double pipe system, 2 inch PVC, that you can tie back into here, and this is tying back into a 3-ton drive air conditioner, 3-ton air conditioner with a 3-ton drive furnace. Your electrical is on the right hand side right here. There's your condensation line running in and over, and your tubing runs through the furnace and goes right there right now. So that'll change when you've even got a little lip to put your condensate pump on right there if you need be. One of the issues that I don't like, let me try to get up here, there's a little saddle tap valve right there, and it runs over copper tubing where this unit used to have a humidifier. And what happened was, when they went to take that old humidifier out, they just left the tubing and crimped the end right there. And so that puddles water down on the floor, and it's puddling water from the saddle tap down to the floor right here. And we want to get rid of that. Right now, we're going to keep the air conditioner and put a UV light in there possibly, if that's doable and if that's what she wants to do. So at this point, that's what we're looking at and what needs to be done here. I want to thank you for watching this video. Future reference, line set goes out and goes all the way down there to the end of the window that you see way down there. So that line set's about 50 foot long. You've got, here's your ductwork coming out of the back of the furnace, and then ductwork out the side right there. Here's your return drop. You've got panning, and then you've got this square and runs up. Here's your ductwork for your return. So that's what you look like at the top, going every which way. And then the front of it, here's what you look like here, coming off the front. But the top of the unit is squared, and ductwork just comes right off of it. Alright, so this is your video for this residence, Eden Residence. Thank you.